Recently, there's a controversy about what Toyota's Vice Chairman Shekhar Vishwanathan said. Let's find out. Welcome back to Be Rich. In recent times, the Toyota Vice Chairman said that taxes on automobiles were extremely high. Automobiles were treated as sin goods and were taxed at nearly 50% of their value, with all sales, all taxes included. This was making investments in India unprofitable, and he said that there will be Toyota will not invest further. Immediately there was heavy pressure from the government on the Toyota management, and they said the problems are there, but they would still consider to invest. But the total sum game is that there is going to be no investment, because if there is to be investment, there has to be demand, and auto demand has collapsed over the last 3 years in India. It's flat. The problem is a mid-level sedan costs about 10 lakhs. Very few people can afford to buy a car for 10 lakhs in India. So for the base to expand, more consumers have to come in and cars have to be cheaper. If cars are cheaper, more people will consume cars, greater jobs will be created, more business will be created. Another reason why cars are very expensive in India is the usurious tax of gasoline in India. By gasoline, I mean petrol. Normally, petrol should be priced at 35 rupees a litre. Even with moderate taxes of 30%, it can be priced at 50 rupees. Today, a petrol costs 85 rupees a litre in India, of which nearly 50 rupees is tax. This is usurious taxation. Price of petrol is 3 times the cost of what it is there in America today. This is spurring lesser consumption of automobiles. Most automobiles, hoping that India will continue to grow and become the largest market in the world, have made huge investments in Indian markets. Now they are staring at non-utilization of capacity, and there is only so much they can export from India. Already GM is out, Ford is on its way out, other auto manufacturers are going on their way out. Tension with China has meant that MG and other companies will invest less. So with marquee brands going away, it's going to affect demand, it's going to affect sales, it's going to affect jobs, and finally this negative vicious cycle will continue. If India, one of the few successes in India has been auto manufacturing, because the labor content in auto manufacturing is very low. Even if that becomes unviable, then manufacturing in India itself will become unviable. These are difficult times. I hope the government listens to sane advice. Instead of asking them to cut back on dividend and royalty payment, it should be looking at cutting back usurious taxation, especially on fuel. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. If you use Kindle, you can buy the book using the Kindle link given below. If you want a hard copy, send a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would get in touch with you. At the very end, if you want to get in touch with me, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. I am grateful for your support of Be Rich.